could you please join me in rising as we pay our deepest respect to Her Majesty the Queen and extend.
Though we have only 2 hours, so we cannot cover everything for you.
If I talk about Thailand Sci Park, we support innovation to bear with fruit. Yes, this is Thailand Sci Park where innovation grows. It's ensure their quality and trust for industry. P-Tech provide test service for electrical and electronic products to ensure employment with several units in R&D.
So here are the lovely guides that we have. So the first one,
transfer this technology to the mostly right now is about the sector that we try to keep on.
It's the dry cell. So we produce it from our it's a kind of starter culture that mix for making herbal medicinal yogurt or something. This one you may know it's not micro. This one the candy is kind of I do this one. All right. But that's good actually. This is the old fashion. This is the new one. New fashion is this one.
To grow the larvae into the third stage larvae. So that they will remove this one and
but we're redeveloping it all the time.
The bacillus. Yeah, the bacillus is
Typical setup for our experiment is examples such as this. Trying to be a full circle, one stop.
everything, right?
Try to translate it in here. This is the building made a high standard of production. So because we try to make it clean, the best to propagate plants using the seed or otherwise the tissue culture and the LED light. But because these are very young plants and have some space to go up and down. And if you look carefully at front, you can see here like people try to invent some air from this vegetative thing, so it's quite take some time. So we try. It's quite a little bit difficult, but right now they are flowering. Yeah, it's something else.
Or we have converted them
to us, and maybe they would like to do the research, but maybe that facility is not ready yet. But we have the main part there. And so here they are stopping that we aim to at least to have here.
focus on the in 500 vials. And we also work with Millennium Hilton They have second floor, first floor and second floor inside.
Bio ingredients so that they can actually know operate something. We have the database.
Bioresource is microbes. So we have a collection at more than 96,000 strains of microbes. From these, we have more than 22,000 strains. So actually these are publicly available, so people can come in and request. This case, and this case is unique because it is only accessible by boat. So not many animals, for example, can isolate that in the river. So if the chemical composition, so I talk about cosmetic products. They're rubbish for decorative. Very cold, and with start to increase luminosity, then you send the signal to the computer.
To get the black bigger, and we try to increase the yield. That's why we use the structure and we use the color to make them grow better. To 650. That's also the hormone. It makes you feel better. Same as the plant. From 5 harvest, 5 kilo, 5 kilo. But if you use the another example is like only the chain from the extra chain. The melatonin will look like this one, the shaded one, and also the last one is like a mango fruit bag. So the mango fruit bag can protect from the fruit fly and also
preparing for IC Foundation, and we were in for other specific details, which is the one you see on the website. This implies that everything is in. And if you look at the domain of project type, the number one comes from computer science and AI. This is most
All of the products.
sailing on the ocean. They brought clothes, they brought some things for the same everything in mind. 46 meter length and 15 meters high. The Buddha look like gold, but it's not because next building is the only building. You have to take shoes off, and here we allow you to touch. So like this. Listen, you wake so early too. You wake up so early, cook, and sleep as well. แต่ว่ามีคนหนึ่งเนี่ย Thank you. So Thai massage is one of their subject that people are behind. See that on here? Yeah. Meditation as well. That's for relaxation, for okay, next part. What? It is the mediation that the action doctor in right place our human body. So you know the way. This person to the leaf of lotus. Days for religious ceremonies, and after that, balance.
And the second
your spoon, this. That's okay, that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Really?
Generalize lavender or